Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say about equipment, apapa, a church for our quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, about media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing there, and then a location of Abeka Flipper Junction. Fanamba ne boasio na wankasa frɛ na obi andada wa na memo bi kasa me frama wankasa frɛ abati bi
ebusu ya for one who say je kunya say ya na say exam for social issues among for removes them and face relationship and no and e dey so mo ya dey basa so ya kan keke na the solution so ataso amamo then dey enua be ma bi e dey asem bi abebeto du akase wo hia ye mo akakra na mo ano enfi me pem ho e be fi wo so e ka wo na kwan a obefa so aboa ne say e ye wo futu nsem no wa tro e wo comment section mo amaye na enua be ma no o say o ne kanchuma e ne wo ho for 1 year ni na say ne kanchuma no o person ni di eye impemu agro so ba no o twetwetwe no ho o ma no kwan e ma ne eni ni edi impemu agro nam so e ma be ma na kasa etu anamo bi a tse why confuse kakra a onhu ni a onye no ho na ni na no o so ohia ye mo a na ye fa mbo na therefore ni twa mo ho aba na me twa mo ho na se me ba eye nsam na kasa kasa e bedo mu esuko Yo, neighbors are for to say, remember, as some more to get any or say, my girlfriend wants sex after marriage. She's not a virgin, too. We have been dating for a year without sex. I help her with what she wants, but somehow I feel I'm fooling myself. Last week, I asked her to think about we having sex or forget we are in a relationship. She has ignored me since. Did I overreact? And then I said, yen you be on the episode say or overreact and say no or yeah de no anko ye ananso no oba no endi ya na me papa ba ko pe a ka ye ho e wa hanu se mo amu ni ndiri ada no e papa Bruce o e pie mu e wo studio hanu say say no e ba be do e asem mu esuko papa we dey more papa
yeah me dey
bibia boko dey
adom
just we dey new you mu da
Allah
jine mu so
obende see
imu ne nsuya o imu ne nsuya
wati
na bibia boko
adom
papa we dey eni ebe ma no obisa say overreact ya na ono o kanchema ho wanya virgin na brani ndi improvement ground so dey on pene e ma ne emba so abranta ne sese na nyema e kono provide bibia so mo ba no so say bia no ba no oye bibi wo echi a na bibi nti no hu ni oye nti obisa say did he overreact
me chair for
no mo just
a friend is in the first place no only say ma sex is very important e be ma de masa bia ko be ma de skirt bia it's me but sabe oba no e ma bi o hono ma ansa no be jai no ma I just say ohwe say odo na wo ma no e odo kan ya one wo say o pesa ware me ade na chenchena so pesa so he me draw sense so I just say oba e ma bi o fo say o hwe wi a e de me bi na obi so one way but I say na o pesa ware me a ene ade na wonti me dwen na wonti me ka say me ma o you see ultimate bi anye ade na me ka dem say ma sex and one why
so we have no other relationship
that means that there's no relationship because and yes sir ultimate catch them say sex in tina o so person wire me and answer that is it love or so let's build the love the sex will come Bema po dey wish your ba enko yes medu wo yes how ba dey abi meet chentum say me mo di me pe no ano no enti emfa sa dey no kra emma eya akoko emma he masum na emodo kasa de good asum oh wo fe ene de ene wo da ono a wanda ono be from say brefi but ono adie so a kira oh but de bia no wo yet say mami ndu dia ekoyense bebre enti niame pa chen say ensanka onya we bi na kokrokro na okrokro na ka otimi nya no na otimi ka say mami sex aye jai And yeah, one also one can hear Bama, one can hear.
It's almost overreacting.
He did, and it shows the kind of person you are. Say me worry one year, who bet me one day I can say, you way one way, mamma, major. What I say, one of the virtues of a good man and a marriageable man, is patience. You need to have a lot of patience. Or baby, or not shy, say, even under such circumstances. Say now, okay, what if so worrying or not due to circumstances? Say to me, have a sex. Yeah, it's guy no worry. Acting well, say, oh, to me, be no. One year, he didn't act maturely. That's what I said. Yeah.
Now let's look at this possibility too. Say we've had a series of scenarios where Obabi or her Ubeko Rich, but only provided via Emano or on any Puma grocery. Babako Rich in the Urbano Ebogala, who said this can be one of the scenarios.
And also, but then you see, and no about mostly no, and yet to our air. What I say, and also why a be now or no so ye be your baby. And also, but Nina, I mean, practice a abortre. So, abortre, I say in Tatia to meet you, child, it's me who and so. And see, I did be on my take your time. Nipanaka, finding out every walk and not a past experience. Say, be out the no mobi, and a Nipani Giant. So I said,
but like I said, Obana your virgin.
On your virgin, but only you see it. Maybe, or then now, guy, no, and die and or that, no giant. It's on over Bishia. Now, so share, now so you may do, no. One of them so didn't pet and one no. So he has to take his time. And to me, no. Milk catch him, sir. I'll find out what really happened in your past relationship. If it's about just say, if you are nothing and one episode of money, then I can judge from there. But me finding out that my hair is and you want mommy sex, yeah, it sounds very childish. And yet, it shows that the guy is not matured. The guy is
only say it would be better for the guy say or better share what happened in her past relationship.
On jai sex nika. Share your one style be you. Or would jai sex nika. Now focus on the love now. Who grow love now to baby? One do banana befro. Say Brad, if you better do not one sherry. What is see or the trail is see or the honest, but the moment how best start hit it on me per sex, no body feel say there is something hidden in your mind. That is why you want the sex. Or the man when one it's why any enjoy sex cracker. Or by girl the child, no enjoy sex car. Now on grow love no. Oh, and then you have and pay what you did. Say one a map surprises. Who do baby a go ahead or started to be crap. Which we shall ban and not guessing the 9 size. So we so much say like 37 me what 27 it's be quite better bro winning. It's your dream and then a bear may cry and dream say or shame night or who say what was saying I won't be something. Oh, so what dream home. And one want to be out. Now, go yeah. May do the others and question
Obano reaction after time or neighbor money in common. As a Obano action home as a on per se or responding to them money calls and then the text messages being. Who they say that is the right way for the lady to deal with a Branton? Yeah,
the lady is acting maturely. Let me explain to you. Nyana, it's a more lady or Phyllis said. You've insulted her dignity. 7 months sex in Tino. No, it means that not unnormal. Because sex can always wait. The Americans say love comes first. Or don't about sex member. Now it's me shame him. I catch him say because there's no sex, you've even insulted my dignity as a woman. And in your end, she has every right. So what I said, she has every right to
1 year of relationship. Let's work throwing it away.
Now 1 year pen now who chasing me sexy. No be a 3 years a man is sexy. Now 1 year, 1 year pet. Now made. Even speed na guy in there, but me cry there, make catch a little so down. Because speed na no dey no. Adan o ye shop self or person worry me. At the end I make us so worry. Sometimes at the end cry da ho. That okra some person would. Others because ebe funu. Tell na wo rush. One ko pray ade. Oba na wo say moti bi wo trim. To anhwe yi a wo no that bia so be disappointed no. Ebi wa na ebi na ato na da. Wo so force. And I make out as and one is a me person me road dross. Dross near worry here. Life or who can't tell me life I be or Dross na so person oro.
Person oro.
Sa na dross.
You know we say for some common here in see and say papa bembu so there. Wo futu nsem no fa so ye no oba no nya ohwe a onye na fe so be ma no mema mu ye bibisa no futu nsem be na person wo de ka che o.
Your friend say guys no mu shia ma na. Ma mo nye sex. Hwe sex no ade mema ni nim say ye ma ne kra de say mema ko. By your rush it. Take your time. O build your donna or the be ma wa ma afono. And our war bands own himself Bearman have chat with him. Catch us on to the boat. And yes, some for man, baby, me who be that? Till I make an tobo, what's your bell worry? Tell an hour rush it. Don't rush, no to me, ain't ya dream back home, no to me pushing forward. Yeah.
Yo, and every papa blues or no to the foot on some and they are so yellow. Miss Mimuna saw bounce so dear or boo with dignity over to me up body dear, and then they said, Pan, I don't know. Obeka tower now so kakra I mem place obi akeke onye de onre remu ntu hwe ne suban bia one ne na mo na hwe na se enko yi a ene no na se why de watch ho efri eye relationship no emu adofo ha na de komo ni nyinesi wadwe ntwe efa wana se futu se ma wo na de aso ye we comment section mu emu wi efi so a mama wi efi se aha obe subscribe no wasa so emi notification bell se na de bia de posti e wo ha no se a solutions e de be so mo wonsa onso wonsa betimi akebe no wasa so ato ama fufuro so a eko eye case no bi no mo so betimi enya solution no e dey resolve eye omo issues me amede and then say me eba so mo medi any ekiaboni that's a nurse so so shame be makram